Welcome back again to this video series on DBMS. Today we will discuss different types of database users. Actually, what is database users? Any person who uses the database and takes benefits from the database is considered as the database users. Clear? যিকোনো মানুহ যোনে ডাটাবেজটো ইউজ কৰে আৰু এই ডাটাবেজৰ পৰা কিছুমান সুবিধা গ্ৰহণ কৰে তেওঁকে ডাটাবেজৰ ইউজাৰ বুলি বা ডাটাবেজ ব্যৱহাৰকাৰী বুলি কোৱা হয় and they can be any programmers, scientists, engineers or any business person or can be any kind of employees also. Now what are the different types of database users? Database users are categorized based upon their interaction with the database. Mainly there are 7 types of database users that are available in DBMS. First one is database administrator or shortly DBA. DBA stands for database administrator. That can be a single person or can be a team. So database administrator can be a single person or can be a team which is actually responsible for managing the overall database management system. Clear? DBA is responsible for overall database management system. Actually, DBA is the leader of the database. It is like a super user of the system. He is responsible for everything that is related to the database. Means every person who will access the database first has to permission from the DBA. And DBA has full control of the data stored in the database and also full control of those application programs which will access the database. And later we will discuss the responsibilities of the DBA thoroughly in the next video. And the next user is naive or parametric users. So naive users are who? These users are also known as unsophisticated users who have no knowledge of the database. These users like a layman which has a little bit of knowledge of the database. They are the end user of the database who work through the menu driven applications. This type of users does not need to be aware of the presence of the database system. They interact with the database only with the help of the application interface. They are just accessing the application whatever they are using. So these naive users are just to work on developed application and get the desired result. For example, say in case of railway ticket booking system, the ticket booking users are the naive users. So they just book the ticket using that application software. Rather that they doesn't know anything about that database. Clear? Or you can say the clerical staff in any bank is a naive user because they does not have any DBMS knowledge, but they still use the database and perform their given task. Clear? Next user is system analytic. system analyst. So system analyst analyzes the requirements of end users, especially the naive and parametric end users. They are responsible for the design, then structure and properties of the database. The main concern of the system analyst is on feasibility, economic and technical aspects. Clear? Okay. Then the sophisticated users. So sophisticated users can be any engineers, scientists, business analysts who are familiar with the database. So these users interact with the database, but they don't write the programs. Clear? And next is the database designers. Database designers. So database designers designs the appropriate structure for the database where we share the data. So these are the designers who designs the appropriate structure for the database. He or she control what data must be stored and how data items to be related. Clear? Next comes the application program or application programmers. So these are the application programmers are computer professionals who write the application programs. They are developers who interact with the database through different YAML queries. So they are the programmers and develop application programs such as C, C++, Java, PHP, Python, etc. They develop application programs and provide a user interface through applications so the other user can interact with the database. They also specify what modifications are needed to the database structure for an application and relay it to the database administrator. And last one is casual users or temporary users. So these type of users communicate with the database for a little period of time. That means they occasionally use the database, but each time when they access the database they require new information. For example, middle or higher level manager, they just occasionally use that database. Clear? So these are the 7 types of database user that we have got. In the next video we will discuss the main roles and duties of DBA, database administrator. Thank you very much.